How to fix meta verification not available for Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix meta verification not available for Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to fix meta verification not available for Facebook, all you have to do is, let me show you what the issue is. If you open up Facebook and then you basically tap your profile icon and then you tap the three dots option that you can find here, and then right here you'll find the option called meta verified, and when you tap the meta verified option you should be able to see these options. But if for some reason it's not showing up in yours, how do you fix them? The very first thing I want you to do is head over to your Play Store or your App Store, search for Facebook and check if the Facebook app has an update. If it does, make sure to update it to the latest version. Now if it still doesn't show up, just remember that it is not your fault. It is just that Meta is actually slowly releasing this feature and it's not available in all of the regions right away yet. So you might want to wait a couple of weeks or a month at least in order to get this feature rolled out to your region, and this way you can go ahead and fix if meta verification is not available for Facebook. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.